Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Xbox One and you need to do a factory reset or a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, you're going to want to do this basically for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this Xbox continues to keeps crashing or has a ton of bugs and is sluggish and everything like that, a hard reset can fix these issues, especially if you've tried clearing the cache, you've tried other things, it's not working. We can just wipe everything off and get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box new. And that brings me to the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this or giving it away, or even if you bought a used one, for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start and get everything wiped off of it like it's coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do this straight from the console, pressing the Xbox button to open the menu. And once we get the menu open, we're going to select Profile and System. And from Profile and System, we'll select Settings. And from Settings, we will select Console Info. And then once we get there, we'll tap on Select Console, and then you'll get a window asking you if you want to reset your console, and it will give you two different options, which is Reset and Remove Everything or Reset and Keep My Games. So if you want to reset and remove everything, you should just click Reset and Remove Everything, and everything will be wiped off of your Xbox, and it will be like it just came out of the box.